girlies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I'm gonna freaking do a natural ass look. Right now I am barefaced, nothing on my face, no foundation, no nothing. I just put on lashes and I put on some chapstick because so yeah, let's get into it. Right now I'm using a color pop. It's called no filter, and yeah, I honestly like the foundation. I would recommend it. I also have like a cannabis one, but today we're not going to be using her. We're going to just stick with the no filter. Give me a second. Okay, so now I'm blending it out. I'm taking the color pop. What is it? Color pop freaking setting spray, the hydrating mist. So it's weird because I use a primer that's actually like a matte primer, like covers your pores and shit. I guess that's why it's called no filter. And then I put on a hydrating mist because my skin is like weird. Some days it's oily, some days it's like super dry. So I try to like, you know, take care of my skin. So yeah. Well, while I'm letting this sit, you know, I think it's already dry, but I decided to take a little smoke break. Anyways, I'll be back in about like 5 minutes. Okay, girlies, I am back. And my primer is all fully dry and I'm back. Okay, so now let's get into this. Okay, so first off, we're gonna take a primer. This is Urban Decay. We're gonna take a primer. I have a mirror right here, so I'm gonna be looking in my mirror. Anyways. So let me tell y'all what I've been working on. Right now I'm trying to actually start my own, like, you know, my own little business or whatever, because, you know, I really love like makeup. I really love lashes. The bigger the better, you know. I love that bold look. I love glitter. I love big ass fucking lashes that make me feel like I'm about to fly out this bitch, you know, like fuck. I love everything dramatic. Anyways, so my point is, like, that's why I love like making people feel like beautiful, you know. Like if I could make you feel 10 times more better about yourself, then I will, you know. Like us girls gotta love each other, like ourselves, you know. So I feel like when I did my friend's makeup recently, like Arlene, she's never worn makeup like that, and more so because like also her parents, I would say they're not strict, but like they're more about like, oh, natural, like no makeup, otherwise you look ugly, you know. So I was like, what, like you never done your makeup, you never got it done, you never done your hair, like curled it or nothing? And she was like, no. And I was like, you know what, like let me do your makeup. And so I did her makeup. It came out really good. I actually have it on my business account on Instagram. It's Hea.venlylashes. And yeah, right there I'm just gonna be focusing on what I'm saying as makeup and lash extensions. And yeah, right now I am looking for models, so if you're in LA, then you could hit me up and we could try to work something out, like schedule your appointment for lashes or makeup. My prices start at $50 and $50 to like $85, I want to say, because I have volume and then I have mega volume, like you want the extra pop, you know. So yeah, so that's why. Anyways, so I'm gonna just get into the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna take Little Cuties, which is right here, Little Cuties. I'm gonna take that bitch. Actually, hold up. I'm gonna use Pure Yeah, this is pure. I'm gonna use this as my base color actually, and then I'm gonna take little pieces. So we're just gonna take. Ooh, that's a lot of. Oh, sweetie, honey. Ooh, okay. Don't mind that lash glue. I'm so used to having my lash extensions, so I stuck. Anyways, and I want to keep these bitches on, so I'd be like a big ass. Anyways, I'm going to take little cuties now, that like brown I just showed y'all earlier. You take it, move that hair. You take an outer cone, and just blend, blend, blend. Just make sure you keep blending. Anyways, hold up. Okay, we're gonna take a little bit more of little cuties, just place it at the outer corner, and like go like this, but like blend it. Make sure you blend, okay? Really make sure you blend. Get some close action, I guess. Like I said, don't mind the lash glue. Okay, you see that? Sure. Now we're gonna take concentrated cream, which is a darker brown. It's actually, I think it's cute. I think this is cute. Okay, so we're gonna take a darker brown now. And of course, the outer corner. We're gonna take the darker brown. And then really blend, okay? Like, really blend. Hold on. Woo. Okay, so just really blend that. Really blend. Blend that bitch. Blend that bitch. Blend that bitch. Really blend it, like, ugh. I really gotta say, like, really blend it, because some people, like, do not know how to blend, you know? And you gotta tell them, because then they're gonna walk out and then, like, I don't know. I feel like people will stare, like, mad stare, you know? So anyways, I think I'm gonna just stick with this. Hold up. I don't think I'm gonna add another color. I think I really like this. Hold up. I need to put the light brighter. Okay, so I put the light brighter. Now y'all can see what's going on. And actually, I'm gonna take just a yellow. Like a yellow. It's called Mimosa Time. This yellow. Okay, I'm gonna just take it. Because I feel like yellow will make this, like, really pop. I don't know.
So right here I decided to put on like some glitter because I don't know why, I just can't get enough of glitter. Just glitter everything at this point. But yeah, I just kept adding more and more and more, and like I was just taking too fucking long because I just kept adding more and more for no reason. So basically right here I was just gonna apply my Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Soft Ivory, and yeah. But honestly, as you're gonna see, but I did edit them, so you're clearly gonna see like a faster clip of me trying to blend this foundation out. But I don't know why today, like, excuse me, I don't know why today, like, it was just so hard to blend everything out. Like, it was just taking so long to blend it out. Like, I don't know if it was me, if it was the foundation, I don't know if I took too long to blend it out or what, but this bitch did not want to fucking blend. Like, I was fucking punching myself at this point. Punching myself and drenching myself in fucking setting spray, which was like mad annoying. And I kept feeling like I just kept blending and blending and blending, but it wasn't getting anywhere. That's exactly what I felt. Like, I don't know. I fucking hated this part. Like, I'ma fast forward all of this because it took too long. I definitely made sure to take my Wet n Wild contour palette because honestly I used to use it like a lot, but I just stopped because I don't know, I just stopped doing makeup in general. And but now like I'm trying to be consistent again and get back into it and just get better at my makeup. And the only way to get better is just keep doing it and doing it and doing it, because I feel like I was really good at makeup. Like right now I feel like I don't know, like I'm not the best, I'm not at my prime with makeup like I used to be so good at it, but recently I feel like I can't do it. I don't know why, I just feel like it. But yeah, I really do love the Wet n Wild contour palette. That shit blends so smooth. I love it. And even for the under eye tone, it's like a yellowish but like a light. It's like good for a lot of skin tones, the yellow. I definitely prefer that, especially when I'm doing other people's makeup, because I am way lighter than all my friends. Like my friend Arlene, like she's darker than me, so and I used like a lighter powder on her, and like it came out good, but like I feel like if I would have had this Wet n Wild one, it would have came out better. But now that I have it, when I do her makeup, you know it's gonna look way better, it's gonna look way smooth, just better in general. But yeah, anyways, so what I really wanted to talk about is my business. Like right now I'm just trying to grind a lot, whether it's YouTube, lash extensions, or getting models for my makeup. Okay, I feel like I'm just gonna add like one more final touch. I'm gonna just what should I do? What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, add more glitter. Just a little bit more. I feel like there's not ever enough glitter. Like, I love glitter. Oh, yes. Oh my god, yes. Love to see this. Look at this. Look at that, bitch. Oh my god, I just love to shine. Okay, well, this is already the end